Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to show or hide your caller ID on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Whether you want to keep your number private or make it visible for outgoing calls, I've got you covered. Step 1. Open the phone app. First, unlock your phone and open the phone app. Step 2. Access caller ID settings. Tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Settings, and then go to Supplementary Services or More Settings, depending on your carrier. Tap on Show Caller ID. Step 3. Choose your preferred option. You'll see 3 options. Network Default uses your carrier's default setting. Hide Number keeps your number private when making calls. Show Number makes your number visible to others. Simply select the option you prefer, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks.